can be a bit surprising to see your new Colorfil filter change color so fast. So why the quick color change? It's a question we get all the time, but rest assured, there's a good reason for it. Think of your Colorfil filter like a sponge designed to soak up all sorts of things in your air, especially those sneaky airborne gas molecules, the main culprits being what we call amine-based gases, like ammonia. These are released from everyday things like your furry friends, cooking odors, even some of your go-to cleaning sprays, fresh paint, and even the garbage can. Now, the concentration of these gases can be higher depending on several factors, such as living in a smaller space where air circulation is limited, or if you're in a warmer, more humid climate, which can amplify these odors. If your very first Colorfil filter changes color rapidly, it's actually tackling a backlog of these gases that have been hanging around the house or apartment. The great news is, once it cleans things up, the next filter you install will likely take longer to show that color change because it's only dealing with the new stuff in the air. It's also worth noting that this color change happens at different speeds throughout the year. For instance, during the milder months of fall and spring, when your heating and cooling system isn't working overtime, the color change happens more gradually. And in the winter, that cooler, drier air tends to hold onto odors a little less intensely. But come summertime, with the heat and humidity often cranked up, you may see that color change happen faster. Here's a really important point we want to make. Even after your Colorfil filter has turned yellow, it's still working hard cleaning your air. While its ability to absorb those gases might have decreased once it fully transitions to yellow, it's still doing a better job at capturing odors than those traditional white filters. Plus, it doesn't lose any of its effectiveness when it comes to grabbing those pesky particles like dust, dirt, pet hair, and dander. So what's our advice for keeping your air as fresh as possible? If you notice your Colorfil filter turning yellow within a month, we suggest replacing it every month. If it takes a month or longer to change color, then replacing it within a couple of weeks of seeing that yellow hue will help ensure you're always breathing the cleanest air possible. So, to sum it up, 1. A fast color change is a good thing. It means your filter is working hard to clean up existing odors. 2. Your next filter will last longer. Once the air is cleaner, new filters will only have to keep up with new odors. And 3. Your yellow Colorfil filter is still effective. A yellow filter still works better than a conventional filter and is just as effective at capturing particles. So don't be alarmed if your filter turns yellow quickly. It's a clear sign that it's working hard to improve your air quality. The more you use Colorfil, the cleaner your air becomes, and you'll find that each replacement filter lasts longer. I hope this helps. Bye.